Welcome to the Introduction to Web Design Principles, part of the Website Design Fundamentals course in our Digital Marketer training program. In this lesson, we'll explore key elements such as layout, color theory, typography, and overall aesthetics. You'll learn essential definitions, see real-life case studies, and analyze charts that bring these concepts to life. Our journey will blend storytelling with visual examples, ensuring you grasp both the theory and practical application of design fundamentals. Layout forms the backbone of every well-designed website. In this scene, we define layout as the strategic arrangement of visual elements that guide user interaction. Imagine a diagram illustrating grids, columns, and white space that balance content and visuals. We'll discuss how a structured layout enhances usability and clarity, ensuring that every component is purposeful. By understanding these foundational principles, you'll be able to create visually appealing pages that resonate with your audience while driving engagement through intuitive design. Let's explore layout design in greater detail. Here we examine the principles of alignment, hierarchy, and spacing, using charts and diagrams that break down complex ideas into simple visuals. Think of a flowchart that shows how each element interacts on a web page, reinforcing the balance between aesthetics and functionality. Real-life examples from popular websites illustrate how proper layout guides the user journey. This scene reinforces that an effective layout is not only visually attractive, but also critical for a seamless user experience. Color theory is essential in web design. This scene defines key concepts such as hue, saturation, and contrast, explaining how these elements influence mood and user behavior. We'll explore how different palettes can evoke emotions and support brand identity. By the end of this section, you'll appreciate how thoughtful color choices can make a website not only beautiful, but also strategically aligned with its message and purpose. In this segment, we share a real-life case study of a website that boosted user engagement through smart color choices. By examining before and after screenshots, you'll see how altering the color palette improved readability and mood. Storytelling elements highlight the challenges faced and the creative solutions applied. Data sets comparing user metrics before and after the change emphasize the measurable impact of effective color theory. This case study underlines that well-chosen colors can transform a website's appeal and significantly enhance overall user satisfaction. Typography is the art of arranging text to make content legible and engaging. In this scene, we define key typographic terms such as font, kerning, and line spacing. Visuals of website screenshots illustrate how different fonts and text sizes influence readability and brand perception. We explore how typography contributes to the overall aesthetic and user experience by setting the tone and personality of your content. Understanding these principles will empower you to choose fonts that not only look appealing, but also communicate your message effectively. Here we delve into the storytelling power of typography. Imagine a narrative where changing typefaces transformed a blog's accessibility and visual appeal, leading to increased reader retention. We discussed data sets showing improved engagement metrics when typography was optimized. This scene illustrates that typography is more than aesthetic. It's a strategic tool that can shape perception, boost usability, and enhance the overall user journey through thoughtful visual communication. Overall aesthetics combine layout, color, and typography to create a cohesive visual experience. In this scene, we define aesthetics as the harmony and balance of design elements that evoke emotion and guide user experience. We highlight how symmetry, contrast, and consistency play critical roles in creating an inviting interface. By mastering aesthetics, you will learn to design websites that are not only functional, but also visually compelling and emotionally engaging. Effective web design seamlessly integrates layout, color theory, typography, and overall aesthetics. This scene explains how these principles are interrelated and reinforce each other. We use storytelling to illustrate scenarios where poor integration led to confusing designs and how thoughtful adjustments improve the experience. This integrated approach ensures that every aspect of your website works in harmony to engage and delight users. Let's analyze a real website known for its exceptional design. This scene uses screenshots to highlight practical applications of layout, color theory, and typography. We discuss the design choices made by the site's creators and how these choices contribute to usability and brand identity. This analysis provides practical insights and inspires you to apply similar strategies in your own projects. Bridging theory with real-world application. In this scene, we explore how data sets and user analytics can drive design decisions. We tell a story about a company that used A/B testing to refine its website, resulting in higher conversion rates. You'll learn how to interpret data to identify areas for improvement in layout, color, and typography. This data-driven approach emphasizes that every design choice should be informed by measurable user behavior, ensuring that your website not only looks good, but also performs effectively. Diagrams and charts are powerful tools for visualizing complex design concepts. In this scene, we present a series of visual aids that map out the relationships between different web design principles. These visuals make it easier to grasp how each element contributes to overall design quality. By integrating these diagrams into your planning process, you can better communicate ideas and streamline the development of effective, user-friendly websites. Web design trends have evolved dramatically over the years. This scene recounts the journey from early static pages to today's dynamic, user-centric designs. Through engaging storytelling, we highlight how shifts in technology and user expectations have shaped modern design principles. Examples from historical websites and contemporary platforms provide context for the evolution of layout, color, and typography. This narrative not only informs you about design history, but also inspires forward-thinking approaches to current projects. Let's review the foundational concepts covered today. We explored layout principles, delved into color theory, and examined the art of typography, all culminating in the creation of harmonious overall aesthetics. Visual aids, charts, and real-life case studies reinforced each concept, demonstrating how thoughtful design can enhance user engagement. This summary scene ties together the various elements discussed, offering a cohesive overview that solidifies your understanding of web design fundamentals. Keep these principles in mind as they are the building blocks of effective, compelling website design. By applying these techniques, you can create visually engaging websites that drive user engagement and boost conversion rates, critical skills for any digital marketer. Improved design leads to enhanced user trust, brand credibility, and measurable business growth. As you move forward, remember that these fundamentals are not just academic concepts. They have tangible, practical benefits in today's competitive digital landscape. Embrace these strategies to elevate your design projects and achieve lasting success in your career.